Sniffles. Written and illustrated by Sunando C. Published by Pratham books. Oh, Divya has the sniffles. Divya can't have the sniffles today. She has to play. It's the finals of the famous football cup. They won! They won the famous football cup! High five, Rustam! Good game, Gurmeet! Well done, Mohit! You did it, Pooja! Sniffer! Congratulations, everyone! Achoo! No more football for Divya until she gets better. She misses all her friends. A week later, no more sniffles! Divya can't wait to see all her friends. Uh-oh, what's this? It looks like Rustam has the sniffles now. And Gurmeet? And Mohit? And Pooja too? Oh no! Everyone has the sniffles.